Alright, now in this video we're going to look at a process going through the Sieve of Eratosthenes. Now Eratosthenes was a Greek mathematician who lived over 2,000 years ago, and he came up with this method of finding prime and composite numbers. Now it's pretty amazing considering it was over 2,000 years ago. This guy was pretty smart. Now the way this starts is we cross out number 1. 1 is not prime nor composite. Okay, to be prime, your factors have to be only 1 and itself. Well, 1 only has one factor, so that rules it out. Now, the next number is 2. Well, we're gonna circle the 2 because the only factors of 2 are 1 and 2, so that makes it prime. Now we're going to go through the rest of this list, and I'm actually only going to go through the first 50, even though you need to go through the full 100. And I'm going to cross out any number that 2 goes into, or any number that is divisible by 2. Well, that means any even number. Alright, now all even numbers have been crossed out. Now 36 would not be prime because yes, 1 and 36 go into 36, but so does 2. So that makes it composite. Now the next marked off number is 3. That means 3 is prime. Now we're going to go through our list and cross out any remaining numbers that 3 goes into. So 3, or 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, 33, 36, 39, 42, 45, 48, and we're out of numbers. Alright, the next uncrossed out number is a 5. Now let's go through and cross out any numbers that 5 goes into that have been crossed out already. So 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. Alright, next uncrossed out number is a 7. Well, let's see. Let's look at our multiples of 7. 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49. Okay, let's keep going. The next one is 11. Alright, now 11s, to count by 11s is pretty easy. They're just doubles. So 11, 22, 33, 44. And that takes us through 50, so we're good there. Let's look at our next one. There's a 13. Well, if you double 13, you get a 26. Been crossed out. 13 more. If you get in a bind, just do a multiplication problem. Do 13 times 3, which would get you 39, which is already crossed out. So 13 times 4 is a 52, which is more than 50, so we're out of space. Next is a 17. Well, 17 times 2? Yes, absolutely. That would be 34. And 34 is crossed out. 17 more than that would actually be 51, which is passed. 19. 19 times 2 is 38. Oh, that's already crossed out. And then we're above 50. Moving on, 23. 23 times 2 is a 46. 46 is crossed out. Let's keep going. 29. 29 times 2. Well, that's 58. Well, that's above 50. Okay, so you get the process. So anything that has not been crossed out, you circle and cross out any multiples of that number. Now when you're done, you should end up having circled all the prime numbers between 1 and 100.